Hey everyone, it's James Lambert, the motivational coach. You know, I went from knockouts to knowledge and from headlocks to hugs. I still embrace people, just now in a far more positive way. So how you doing? I hope you're thriving. Just on my walk, my furry friend there, Mr. Max, or Pickles, I noticed these fence posts, and the fence, and it got me thinking as I was looking at sort of the old crops that had grown. Is the fence there to keep that stuff in or me out? Now in truth, that doesn't matter as much as the analogy that came to mind, and it was that this fence that acts as a boundary, if you like, could be representative of beliefs we have about ourselves, about other people, about life. And actually, far from being helpful, they can be or act as a barrier, as an obstacle from what we truly say we want most out of life. So this fence, this barrier, this could be about a belief you have about maybe you being deserving of finding a fulfilling relationship, of having the type of professional life you dream about. It could be a belief about how much money you can make every year. It could be a belief that you are depressed, or you are always ill, or you are prone to colds, or whatever it may be. You always suffer from a bad back. Whatever it is, it's not helping you anymore. It's actually, the fence is acting as a barrier, and it's debilitating in some way, shape or form. And the beautiful thing when I look at these fence posts, when I look at these fences, whether they be electric or otherwise, they can be moved. The posts, representative of your beliefs, can be uprooted and moved. Therefore, they can be changed. Your self-limiting beliefs can, when looked at, be challenged gently with great love and moved or replaced. Replaced by what? By more helpful fences. Things that protect you and your integrity, but are more beneficial to you and your lifestyle. So I invite you, as always, to look at and challenge with great love some of your beliefs about yourself, about what you can do in this life, about how much money you can make, about how much health you can enjoy, about how much love you can handle in your life. And look at them, challenge them with great love, and know that any fence, any belief can be challenged and replaced by more helpful ones. So I'll leave it there for now. As always, from my heart to yours, you are unstoppable, and I believe in you. Take care.